Don't throw away banana peels. What most people see as waste can actually become something useful. And today, you're going to see how a simple peel can turn into a water-resistant coating and a natural fertilizer. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Maker Mike channel. Watch this video all the way through. The final result will definitely surprise you. Banana peels contain natural compounds like potassium, fiber, and organic acids, which can be extracted and reused for cleaning, coating, and supporting plant growth. Start by cutting the peel into small pieces. Keep the size consistent so it cooks evenly. Smaller pieces allow the nutrients to release more effectively during heating. Place the chopped peel into a pan and move it onto the stove. Add enough water to fully cover the pieces. Turn on the heat and bring the mixture to a steady boil. Then add a small amount of salt. This helps draw out compounds from the peel and improves the extraction process. Stir continuously so the pieces do not stick to the bottom. As the temperature rises, the water begins to take on a darker color. This shows that organic material is being released into the liquid. After boiling, pour the mixture through a strainer. Collect the liquid in one bowl and keep the softened peel in another. Both parts will be used for different purposes. Set the liquid aside for later use. This extract will become part of a coating solution and can also be diluted for plant care. Now take the cooked banana peel and place it into a container. Add a small amount of EM1 beneficial microbes. This solution contains beneficial microorganisms like lactic acid bacteria and yeast. Then pour in molasses. These ingredients support fermentation and help break down the organic material further. Mix everything evenly and close the container tightly. This mixture needs time to develop. Leave it sealed for about 20 days. During this period, the microorganisms transform the peel into a nutrient-rich organic solution. Take a piece of styrofoam and a small container. Pour acetone into the cup first. Then slowly add the styrofoam piece by piece. As it comes into contact with the acetone, the foam begins to shrink and dissolve. Continue adding gradually and stir gently until it fully breaks down into a smooth, thick mixture. Once the foam is fully dissolved, add a portion of the banana extract into the mixture. Banana extract improves bonding, adds flexibility, and helps the mixture form a more durable, water-resistant coating. Stir slowly so both components blend together. The result is a flexible coating that combines organic extract with a synthetic base. Prepare a piece of cardboard for testing. Divide it into 2 equal sections. This will help you clearly compare the results later. Apply the mixture onto one half of the cardboard. Spread it evenly and make sure it covers the entire surface. Leave the other half untreated as a reference. Allow the coated section to sit for about 30 minutes. During this time, the solvent evaporates and the layer begins to form on the surface. After waiting, take a spray bottle and apply water across both sides of the cardboard. Observe closely. The untreated side absorbs water quickly and becomes soft, while the coated side repels moisture. The water stays on the surface instead of soaking in. This simple test shows how the mixture creates a protective barrier that blocks water penetration. To improve the appearance of the coating, add a small amount of brown acrylic paint into the mixture. I know a lot of you are experienced and creative, so leave your best tips in the comments and share the knowledge with everyone. Stir it evenly until the color is uniform. This step allows the coating to match wood surfaces more naturally. Now move to a wooden door that has faded over time. The surface looks dry and uneven. Apply the colored mixture using a brush. Spread it across the wood and work it into the grain. As the coating settles, the color becomes richer and more consistent. The surface begins to look refreshed. And at the same time, the protective layer helps resist moisture. Let it dry completely and observe the result. The door now appears darker, smoother, and more resistant to water exposure. Return to the fermented banana peel mixture. After 20 days, the contents have transformed into a dark liquid rich in nutrients. This solution can be used as a natural fertilizer. Dilute the liquid with water before applying it to plants. This helps distribute the nutrients more evenly and prevents overconcentration. Pour the diluted solution around the base of plants, such as roses. Over time, the plants become stronger, leaves turn greener, and flowering improves. The natural compounds in the banana peel support growth and help maintain healthy soil conditions. The original banana extract water can also be used separately. Dilute it and apply it directly to soil. It provides additional nutrients and improves plant vitality. Instead of throwing organic waste away, take a moment to see how it can be reused. Small changes like this reduce waste and create practical solutions at home. If you have banana peels available, try this method yourself and observe the results step by step. Test it on different materials and see how it performs. Share your experience so others can learn from your results. And stay with the channel for more practical ideas, where simple materials turn into effective solutions that save time and money.